Hey guys, Liz Ronick here from Misfit Boss TV and Transform Time, where we together are transforming our minds, our body, and ultimately our life to live awesome. All right, so last week I came to you and I shared with you some of the effects of stress on our immune system. So this week I want to come to you and share with you a list of 13 foods that will help to boost our immune system. And we are going to start with my absolute favorite, because it's the best. Well, it's the best. Dark chocolate. So dark chocolate has an antioxidant in it called theobromine, and that helps to boost our immune system and protect our body from free radicals, which can damage our body's cells and contribute to disease, which we don't want. So let's eat some dark chocolate. Obviously, we want to make sure that we don't eat massive amounts because it is calorie dense. But it does have benefits to it. So make sure to get a few bites of chocolate every day. Next, we have 3 spices that are really beneficial to boosting our immune system. The first one is turmeric, it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Some people my mom calls it turmeric. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's Turmeric. So that's spice number 1. Number 2 is ginger, which not only helps to settle your tummy if it's upset, but it is anti-inflammatory and has antioxidants in it, which offer us health benefits. The third one is garlic. Grab some gum because garlic can help to prevent colds. So let's eat some garlic. Plus it has awesome flavor that adds to all kinds of amazing foods. Next, so that was 4. Number 5, oily fishes. So salmon, tuna, they're all really good sources of omega-3, and those fatty acids help to reduce the risk of rheumatoid arthritis, and they also give us our good fats, which helps our body to stay healthy. So grab some fish, and then for dessert you could put some ginger and garlic on your fish, and then have some dark chocolate. With your fish, you could have some broccoli. So number 6, broccoli. It's a good source of vitamin C, and it contains antioxidants, and it is really good with garlic. With the next one that I have is sweet potatoes, which are rich in beta carotene, and that is a type of antioxidant that gives our skin, that comes from the skin of potatoes, not our skin. It also is a really good source of vitamin A, so it protects against skin damage. I am super light, so I need to eat some more sweet potatoes. All right, next. So we have broccoli, which is a good source, nice green veggie. And we also have spinach. It contains essential nutrients and antioxidants, from flavonoids to vitamin C, vitamin E, and it helps to support our immune system. The next one is a beverage that you can have. You can have it with your salmon, broccoli, spinach, and then your dark chocolate. Green tea has flavonoids. It has a small amount of caffeine, but it has flavonoids that help to boost our immune system. And then, next one on the list, yogurt and or kefir. I don't know if you've ever tried kefir, but it's a fermented drink that contains live cultures of bacteria that are beneficial for our health and can help to fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and increase antioxidant activity. Do it! The next one, nuts. They're an excellent source of vitamin E, and they contain magnesium and fiber. Magnesium is really good, and so is fiber. Keep you regular. All right. 2 more. Y'all ready? Are you ready? All right. Bright fruits and veggies. So citrus fruits, kiwis, Red bell peppers, green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, grapefruit, oranges are all a really good source of vitamin C, and that helps us to fight off common colds and obviously build our immune system. All right, last but not least, this is actually, well, after chocolate. One of my faves are berries. I really, really, really love berries. Blueberries. Chocolate covered blueberries. Yes. Um, berries have antioxidant properties that boost our immune system as well and play an essential role, especially blueberries, an essential role in the respiratory tract's immune defense system. Hello, blueberries and chocolate all day long. While I sip on my green tea. So I hope that this is helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions in regards to health, wellness, mindset, whatever, don't hesitate to either drop them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe so when you get the next video, you can get an alert. And let me know if there's any topics that you would like for me to discuss. I hope you have a great day. #transform time. Miss Fit Boss out.